is done. President Emerson Mnangagwa signed the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Act number 3, 2026 into law. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Sana bila mashuka na mdanyo kwa pangwa ine. Atuda kunyasukuna in analysis. Tijuona pangwa chete member provisions of this amendment. Pangwa ine tipina mazan pif patro samdanyo rajiti. The legislation passed through both houses of parliament, with the National Assembly approving the final amendments last week. Following the President's assent, the Act has now been officially gazetted. Key changes introduced under the Constitutional Amendment Act include: 1. The President will now be elected by Parliament instead of through a direct public vote. The terms of the office for the President and members of Parliament have been extended from 5 years to 7 years. The Attorney General must now meet the qualifications required for appointment as a Supreme Court judge. The President can appoint 10 additional senators, increasing Senate members from 80 to 90. Responsibility for voter registration shift from the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZVAITWA to the Registrar General, while a new delimitation commission takes over constituency and ward boundary delimitation. Public interviews for judicial appointments have been removed. A vice president will act as president until Parliament elects a replacement within 30 days in the event of a vacancy. A new office of Judge President of the Supreme Court has been created. The Constitutional Court may now hear appeals involving important points of law where leave to appeal has been granted. Toma developments are rubuda pangwa ino muri Zimbabwe. Bila comment section medu zofu enyi mori kudipa msuru pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like or join on the bell icon.